Run and drive, baby. What's up, guys? New build today. First build, I should say. First build. WRX. Subaru WRX 2017. We just got it. Just pulled it in. And let's take a look at this damage.
Two things about the geese, you better listen up. Chrome spokes with the spinners on his tire hub.
There's like a common problem with busted front end Subis, or just Subarus in general. Tell us what it is.
So when you get a salvage car, Subarus are very nice because they put their filters at the top here. So when you're doing your oil change, you have to be underneath, you know, getting hot oil all over your hands. So all you do is take it off. But the problem when it gets crashed is if the hit is hard enough, this core support will take and smash this top filter, yank it off, and then the idiot who is driving the car might not realize it and keep the car running, and so the engine runs without any oil, and then you got a bad engine.
The other common issue is the whole ringland failure. I'm sure you've seen that. You can watch a whole bunch of videos just on YouTube about it. Essentially, somebody boosts the engine too much, the piston rings just blow apart. So lots of detonation happening in the engine.
The guy who was dispatching the vehicle said, hey, I'm gonna drop off your car first because your engine sounds kind of weird. We haven't started the engine yet, so...
We're gonna pull a little bit of the front out with a special tool that we got here. That way, it's not rubbing against all the pulleys and stuff. For whatever reason, he said when you turn on the car, it like starts to rev past like 2,000, 3,000 RPM and it just doesn't stop. So something's jammed. So we're gonna try and figure out what exactly that is. All right, we got the expert Max. Max has built successfully no Subarus. So he's just unsuccessfully swapping engines on a little, but you think we can start it?
Look fine.
All right, before we get this baby started, we gotta go tow it into the garage because if we start taking it apart right now in the parking lot, pieces are gonna get lost, flying everywhere, and we don't wanna do that. So here's what we're towing it with.
Funny, this isn't the first time I'm doing this.
Oh, what's that leaking out? Yo, look, something's leaking.
Oh.
I don't know how you bought the worst frame damage Subaru.
All right, almost all taken apart. We're about to start this baby. You guys, damage is definitely worse than what I thought it was. Definitely worse. Check all these parts.
Yeah, you're gonna have coolant all over the place. Film this.
Right in my shoe.
Oh, there you go. All right, radiator's out. Guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. We hope you enjoyed the first episode of the WRX build. We're dropping a new video every Thursday at 1 p.m. Central Time, so make sure to turn on your post notifications. Also, feel free to follow us on Instagram and TikTok to get the inside scoop there before YouTube. All that being said, thank you so much for all your love and support. Drop your thoughts and comments down below. We love you guys, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.